Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, Thomas and I, say hi Thomas.
Hi guys.
We are actually working on a customer order, and I wanted to take and introduce you to some new blanks that we have on the website. These are trivet blanks, and we have multiple styles available, and that's what we're actually working on for one of our own customers that had just purchased from us on Etsy. They purchased a set of 3 of these trivet blanks, and and for a total about like 250 bucks. So these can be a really nice seller. So we ended up, this is the blanks in question right here. This is the styling that we're going to be working on today. We're going to be walking you through the process as we put them together to show you how easy it is to make that easy money out there. So without further ado, let's get it started.
Once you get the blanks too, they're going to look like this. You have a ring and whatever style you decide. We have a plasma cut and a where the dross comes out. So you want to make sure that it's nice and pretty, and we're going to set that on top. So it looks nice and pretty like that. You're going to flip it over, get yourself a couple C-clamps, vice grips, something that's going to make it nice and easy for you to line everything up and hold it in place. Okay, so here we have it all filed up. Now we're going to walk over to the drill press. Okay.
Safety specs.
Always put on the safety squints.
Look at them. See this? People. Doo, doo.
Ah! So, with this, you will be provided with 3 1/4-inch rivets. So, get yourself a 1/4-inch drill bit. I like to always put a little wooden block in here just to give myself a nice little support. Well, after drilling, we're going to go through and deburr everything. And now we got our 1/4-inch rivets that will come with the project here. And we like to put it in the bottom portion so the nice little balls sit on the table nice and flat. So you just come over here and just give it a nice little set. And what I like to do is come through and set all my rivets on the bottom side. So when I flip this over, the holes do not shift or anything like that. So I'm going to be using one of our rivet bucking tools that we offer. We're going to use the horn because I need some space. So we set it over the edge of our horn with our rivet bucking tool, and you can do all this cold. We're just going to come here and give it one good hard hit just to set it. Just like that. Now you can come through after it's all done and just just like that. Now you can use top tooling if you wanted to have a nice dome on this. We like to have a nice flat one. So it's completely aesthetic to you, whatever you decide to choose. And just like that, we have a nice bottom. By using the rivet bucking tool, we have still nice round rivet heads on there. And when you flip that over, nice 3 flat spots for it to sit on. Then you can always check it on your anvil, flat surface, anything like that. Make sure that it doesn't rock anyways, just in case you accidentally tweaked it a little bit.
Okay, everyone, so there you have it. That's how quick and simple those things are. Obviously, it's mostly a cold work project. There's not really any forging to be done. Things that could be done to make it a hot forging project is you could obviously add some texture to it and things of that nature, you know, before you drill your holes and rivet it all together. But you can see how quick and slick that project goes together. You can find these blanks and a lot more, as these are newly listed items, over at the website www.blacksmithingblanks.com. You can go check out the website for we're coming up on, we got 300-400 blanks over there. So go check out our website. It's a great way of supporting the channel. And me and Thomas here at Christ Center Ironworks, and Jessica, my kids, as well. So we do thank you. So God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you to all the channel members that make content on this channel possible, and we'll catch you in the next one.